Long Game rewards users for completing short games and answering trivia questions. But whether it is worth using depends on how much time you spend compared with the rewards you receive. By the end, you'll know how Long Game works, what you actually do on the app, and whether it makes sense as a way to earn rewards in 2026. Long Game is a mobile app that combines games, challenges, and rewards with financial habits. Users can complete activities inside the app while working toward rewards and savings-related goals. The main appeal of Long Game is that it makes saving money feel more interactive. Instead of only focusing on traditional savings methods, the app uses game-style features to encourage users to stay engaged. The app is different from simple reward apps because the experience is built around both entertainment and financial behavior. That means the value depends on whether you enjoy the format and find the features useful. Before deciding if Long Game is worth your time, look at 3 things. First, understand how the reward system works. Apps like this usually require consistent activity, so check what actions are needed before expecting results. Second, consider whether the game format helps you stay interested in saving. If you enjoy completing challenges and tracking progress, the experience may feel more useful. Third, compare the effort with the benefit. Spending extra time on an app only makes sense if the rewards or financial habits you build are valuable to you. Long Game is not designed as a replacement for income. It is better viewed as a tool that combines rewards with money-related engagement. The biggest question is whether the app fits your habits. Someone who enjoys mobile games and wants a more interactive approach to saving may find value in it. Someone looking for direct cash earnings may prefer a different type of rewards platform. The practical next step is to try the app, understand the available activities, and see whether the experience helps you stay engaged with your financial goals. If this helped you understand whether Long Game is worth using, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and money-saving comparisons.